Tuesday night through Wednesday evening. Heavy wet snow possible. Total snow accumulations of 4 to 7 inches possible. Travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the Wednesday morning. Additional details: snow will overspread the area Tuesday night. The snow will begin to mix with rain Wednesday morning, perhaps changing to all rain by Wednesday afternoon. A period of heavy wet snow is forecast for the morning commute, so plan accordingly. Monitor the latest forecasts for updates on this situation. Here is the nearshore marine forecast for waters within 5 nautical miles of the south shore of Lake Erie. Today, northwest winds 10 to 15 knots, becoming west 15 to 20 knots. A chance of snow early, then a slight chance of snow late this morning. Waves 1 to 3 feet. Tonight, southwest winds 15 to 20 knots. A slight chance of snow overnight. Waves 2 to 4 feet. Tuesday, southwest winds 15 to 20 knots, becoming west 5 to 15 knots. Cloudy. Waves 2 to 4 feet, subsiding to 1 foot or less. Tuesday night, southwest winds 10 knots or less, becoming east. A chance of snow overnight. Waves 1 foot or less. The water temperature off Toledo is 37 degrees, off Cleveland 36 degrees, and off Erie 36 degrees. Winter storm launch in effect from late Tuesday night through Wednesday evening.
Alright.
For the plants,
Well, how about that? And the 262 finally went.
Winter storm launch in effect from late Tuesday night through Wednesday evening. For Hancock County lot, heavy mixed precipitation possible. Total snow accumulations of 4 to 7 inches, nice accumulations of a light glaze possible. Winds could gust as high as 30 miles an hour. Where? Portions of northwest Ohio. When? From late Tuesday night through Wednesday evening. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the evening. Additional details: onset of wintry precipitation may impact the morning commute. For the following counties in Ohio: Hancock, Lucas, Ottawa, Sandusky, Seneca, and Wood. Winter storm launch in effect from late Tuesday night through Wednesday evening. West, heavy mixed precipitation possible. Total snow accumulations of 4 to 7 inches, nice accumulations of a light glaze possible. Winds could gust as high as 30 miles per hour. Where? Portions of northwest Ohio. When? From late Tuesday night through Wednesday evening. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the evening commute. Additional details: onset of wintry precipitation may impact the morning commute on Wednesday. Monitor the latest forecasts for updates on this situation. For Hancock County, heavy mixed precipitation possible. Total snow accumulations of 4 to 7 inches, nice accumulations of a light glaze possible. Winds could gust as high as 30 miles an hour. Travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the evening commute. Onset of wintry precipitation may impact the morning commute on Wednesday. Monitor the latest forecasts for updates on this situation. Mercer and Shelby. Winter storm warning in effect from midnight tonight to 7 p.m. Wednesday. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 5 to 7 inches. Where? In Indiana. Wayne County. In Ohio. Mercer, Auglaize, Dark, and Shelby counties. When? from midnight tonight to 7 p.m. Wednesday.
What?
Impacts. Travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning or evening commute. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight. Food. Additional information can be found at www.weather.gov/ILN, as well as on our Facebook and Twitter pages. Winter storm warning in effect from 3 a.m. to 11 p.m. Wednesday. For Hancock County, heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 5 to 8 inches. Ware, Lucas, Wood, Ottawa, Sandusky, and Hancock counties. Wet from 3 a.m. to 11 p.m. Wednesday.
Really?
Impacts. Travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning and evening commute. Additional details. Heavy snow will overspread the area early Wednesday morning through the afternoon. Snow may transition to the wintry mix briefly Wednesday afternoon before transitioning back to snow Wednesday evening. The heaviest snow is expected Wednesday morning when snow rates of up to 1 inch per hour can be expected.
There it goes
If you
again.
must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511.
Alright, time to charge your batteries.
4 a.m. to 8 p.m. Wednesday. For the France, Paul. For Hancock County, heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 5 to 8 inches. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning and evening commute. Additional details. Heavy snow will overspread the area early Wednesday morning through the afternoon. Snow may transition to a wintry mix briefly Wednesday afternoon before transitioning back to snow Wednesday evening. The heaviest snow is expected Wednesday morning when snow rates of up to 1 inch per hour can be expected. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511. For the France, Holding, Putnam, Dunwood, and Allen counties. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 5 to 8 inches. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions will likely impact the morning and evening commutes. Additional details. Snow will spread rapidly north early Wednesday with rapid accumulations before noon. The heaviest snow should end by late afternoon, although some blowing and drifting snow in open areas is likely to persist into the evening. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency.